This nigga's pussy. He's pussy. He ain't got this in him. He just gonna throw that bitch. He ain't even gonna aim. He just gonna toss it and run. Guaranteed, nigga.
You missed.
Told you.
You missed. No. You missed.
Nigga, they just went into a forbidden room. I've never seen them niggas in that room before.
Put that out. The ground.
We can't see shit. Y'all blew it up.